Since 1986, Equinox has helped telecom carriers protect and optimize their revenue. In our company's history, we have faced challenges, but nothing compares to what we've experienced the past few years. We've been isolated, locked down, and reduced to conducting business online. While technology allowed us to effectively perform our work, there is simply no substitute for in-person gatherings and impromptu conversations. I'm Equinox founder and CEO Byron Middendorf. It's clearer to me than ever before that our connections to each other and our place in community shape us. That is exactly why I'm so pleased to welcome you back to Nashville's Music City Center this year as we resume in-person meetings. Our user conferences help you achieve the maximum revenue benefit of your Equinox applications. More importantly, though, they give us an opportunity to sit around the table together and talk about our children, our hobbies, our vacations, to laugh, to catch up where we left off, and to mourn who and what we lost during the pandemic. These conversations and shared emotions strengthen relationships, allow us to form bonds of understanding, and catalyze innovative thinking. After being tethered by technology for so long, the user group meeting is a giant step in bringing us back together. The ability to see smiles and share emotions face to face is absolutely priceless. We host 2 annual user groups each year. Any member of the Equinox community is invited and encouraged to attend these educational forums free of charge. I can't wait to see you at the Music City Center in downtown Nashville.